안녕하세요. 한국 언니예요. Hello, this is Korean 언니 that makes learning Korean fun and easy. In this episode of Korean 언니, you will learn another Hanja and some Sino-Korean words that include this Hanja. As I have mentioned a lot in my previous videos, Hanjas are Chinese characters that act as roots in Korean vocabulary, and it is helpful to know some commonly used Hanjas to expand your Korean vocabulary. The Hanja that we are going to learn today is all. All is a Hanja that means language. And just in case you're curious, the Chinese pronunciation of this Hanja is 유. All is used a lot in Korean vocabulary. As all of you know, the word's languages in Korean ends with all. For example, 한국어, Korean language, 한국, Korea, all language, 한국어, Korean language, Korean. 베트남어, Vietnamese language, 베트남, Vietnam, all language, 베트남어, Vietnamese language. 필리핀어, Philippine, Philippines, all language, Filipino, Filipino. 독일어, German, 독일, Germany, all language, 독일어, German. Not only for world's languages, all can be found in lots of Korean vocabulary. 언어 means language, you can see all right there. 어휘, vocabulary, you can also find all right there. 어법, grammar, you can see all right there. And 어순 means word order. All language, 순 is order, so 어순, word order. 어근, 어근 means the root of the word, and 근 means root, so 어근 is root of the word. 어미 is suffix, because 미 means something in the end, so 어미, suffix. 관용어 means idiom, and you can find the 어 at the end of the word. And for honorific terms, we say 존댓말 or 존대어. 존대 means to respect, and if you attach 어 or 말, 존댓말 or 존대어, it becomes the meaning of honorific. 어 and 말 has the same meaning. 어 is a Sino-Korean word and 말 is a native Korean word. So there's a difference, but the meaning is the same. Today you learned another commonly used Hanja 어 and some Sino-Korean words that include this Hanja 어. It is very helpful to memorize some commonly used Hanja and categorize the vocabulary. That way you can memorize Korean vocabulary more efficiently. Please subscribe to Korean Only's channel for more updates on Sino-Korean words, and see you next time with another informative Korean video. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 안녕! I have said a lot